So in this program we are going to discuss about the merge sort. So in the last class we have discussed what is merge sort, how we are going to divide the text, right? So first here I have a function void merge sort int a, p and r, right? I am taking a variable q and p is a lower value, r is the upper value. Okay, so q is a middle position element. How you are going to divide the merge sort? For example, if you have three elements, you are going to divide this list into two sublists, that is like 3 and 4, and again here you are going to divide as 2. So in order to take the middle position I am writing q floor is a function p plus r by 2, right? Here you are dividing this list and then you are calling a function called merge sort. To that you are passing array p and q. So p is 0 1 2, this is p, this is r. What you will get the q? 0 plus 2 by 2, that is 1. So what you are passing? You are passing array 0 and 1. So that means what? 0 and 1 is one array. 0 and 1 is one array. Next merge sort a q plus 1. Q plus 1 means what? 1 plus 1, that is 2, and r is 2. You are passing this as a another array. Clear? So you have two things. First you are passing this one and you are passing this one. After merging each and everything to make them individual element, you have to merge this all. So now merge sort is a function, just is to divide that list into sublist. Each sublist get one element, and then the another function is called merge, that is able to merge the selected list for the sorting. Clear? Now we'll see the functionality of merge. Here I am taking a variable array b that stores 5 elements, and p is nothing but 0. First come to this case, q is nothing but 1, r is nothing but 2. Now I, j, k, for sorting the array variables I am taking these three elements. K is 0, I is equals to p. What you have in p? We have in p as 0. K is 0, I is 0, j is equals to q plus 1. What you have in q? 1. 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 2. Right? Clear? Next. While I is less than or is equals to q, what you have in I? 0. 0 is less than or is equals to q, that is 2. Condition true. And j, what is j? J is 2. Sorry, q is 1. 0 is less than or equals to 1 and j is 2, which is also less than or is equals to 2. So here the condition is satisfied, you are going to enter into the loop. Now, so what is our array? Which elements you have taken? 3 and 4. This is 1, this is 0, this is p, this is q. Now a of I is less than a of j. What is in a of I? A of 0. A of 0 element is 3, which is less than or is equals to a of j. What you have in j? What you have in j? 2. Right? What you have in j? 2. A of 2 element ఉంది మనకి ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ 2 ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఫస్ట్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా 3 4 2 స్మాల్ అరే తీసుకున్నాను నేను 3 4 2. సో ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది కదా, 3 ఈజ్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2. Condition satisfied? No. If condition is not satisfied, control will never enter into the if block. It go for the else block. In else block what I am writing? B k plus plus a j plus plus. It indicates that I am creating a dummy array B with the locations as 0, 1 and 2. Initially k is what? 0. So a of j, whatever the value you have in a of j, that you have to store in b of k. Later increment k, increment j. A of j means what? A of j is 2. You have to store this 2 in b of k. K is 0. Initially we have considered the 0. Now 2 is able to store here, and you are incrementing j as by 1, k also by 1. Now initially k is 1, now k is pointing at 1. Now j is ఇంతకుముందు ఇక్కడ j2 ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది, j3 అవుతుంది. వేర్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్, యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇన్ ఏ వైల్ లూప్. అగైన్ గో ఫర్ చెక్ ద కండిషన్. నౌ స్టిల్ I is 0, q is 1 and j is what, j is 3. సో ఇక్కడ j3 అయింది కదా, is 3 is less than or equals to 2. ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ ట్రూ? నో. ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ నాట్ ట్రూ, కంట్రోల్ will never enter into the while loop. It go out of the while loop, right? So what you have out of the while loop? Now check this part. While I is less than or is equals to q. So what is the value of I? 0. What is the value of q? 1. Is 0 is less than or equals to 1? Yes. Condition true. If condition true, what you are doing? You are copying a of I value into b of k. What you have in a of I? What you have in a of I? I 0 కదా, ఏముంది, 3 ఉంది. అది దేంట్లో కాపీ అవుతుంది, b of k లోకి కాపీ అవుతుంది. సో b of k already initially 1, so that 3 will be stored here. And next I will be incremented by 1 and k also will be incremented by 1. Previously the k is 1, now the k will be at 2. Now the I value is at 1. Now we are writing this in while loop, and again go back and check. I should be less than or is equals to q. What is I? 1. Is 1 is less than or equals to 1? Condition true. Again what you have to store? A of 1 value you have to store in b of k. K is 2. So what you have in a of 1? You have 4 that you are going to store here, right? Next I becomes 2, k becomes 3. So again go for the same condition. I is 2. Is 2 is less than or equals to 1? No. So condition stop here itself, right? Next while j is less than or equals to r. So ఇంత మనకు j ఎంత వచ్చింది, 3 వచ్చింది. 3 less than or equals to r is 2. Is the condition satisfied? No. So don't go for this while loop, right? Next what you are doing? I is equals to r, I greater than equals to p, I minus minus. Here what you are doing? I am making where our values 2, 3, 4 are, where these values are there in an array b. By using this for loop, I am copying the elements of b to array a, right? Now later on I will display the value of array here itself. So this is for loop close, this is a function close. Now in main for loop, in main function int a of 5, I am considering 5 elements as 4, 17, 9, 2, 20. I am clearing the screen. I am calling a function called merge sort a. This is a initial position, this is a final position. So array ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 and 4 ని పాస్ చేస్తున్నాను. Now in order to understand this concept, I am taking only these 3 variables 3, 4, 2, but in the main function I am passing 5 elements as 4, 17, 9, 2, 20. After this merge sort, the elements will be like this: 2, 4, 9, 17 and 20. Clear? So if you take 5 numbers, it may be hard to explain, so that's why I am taking a small array as 3, 4, 2. So this is your merge sort technique.